Hello everybody, in this video we are going to talk about CPA marketing. So if you are interested in CPA marketing and online business and you're looking for new income streams, so I will ask you to subscribe to my channel to have the new videos. Okay, let's talk about CPA marketing. Now, so this is video was I have made it in French, but I'm too lazy. I'm just taking my video and translate it in English. So, que veut dire CPA? What's CPA stands for? CPA marketing. CPA is cost per action. What does it mean? It means that we will be paid for an action taken by our prospect or lead. So how it works? So first, we will have to bring some traffic from different sources like Facebook, Google AdWords, content, free content. So you have the paying and free traffic. So they both have this advantage and disadvantage. Just but the idea is have uh, the traffic and uh, to generate the maximum traffic to send it to an offer. Okay, offer mean an offer. Okay, so we send this traffic to an offer, and this offer will generate leads, and we will get money from the leads that we have generated. Okay, so it's very easy, very easy, very easy. Not very easy. The process to understand the process is easy, no, but to have money is another issue. Okay, so here we will focus on a platform that are called CPAgrip, because to get offers you need to bring them from what we call a CPA network. It's not very easy to get in CPA network. So if you are a beginner and want to start CPA marketing, I will advise you to subscribe to this network because it's for beginners. So I will give you the link below. So subscribe through my link, and I will have your name, and I will know that who you are, and I will send you some bonuses. You will be very surprised. So if you want to learn CPA marketing and have uh, methods that works, just subscribe to the CPAgrip to my link and try to put your real name and information, not to have problems with payments. Okay, so you need to put the right name, the right address, and all your information if you want to make money. Okay, so let's dive in and I will show you the platform. So first we are going to go to our CPAgrip dashboard. Okay, so here you have the dashboard. So today I have generated $10.46 without putting a lot of efforts. Okay, when you have the right methods, so you can generate some money. You won't be a millionaire. You can, but as a beginner, you need to be able to generate your first dollars, your first generate your first leads to understand how it works and how you can improve it for the next to reach the next levels. Okay, so here I generate about $10 for these 6, and it's a very easy platform to handle. So I have a little I will go around a little bit to show you how it works. Let's go to the offers to show you how we can find an offer and how uh, we can see offers, okay, to understand the platform, because we need to get an offer to send traffic to, okay, and then try to lead generate leads, because we are paid for the leads we have generated. So the more leads we have generated, the more money we will have in our pocket. Okay, so let's go to the offers. Okay, okay, here we are. So I'm from France, so sorry for my English, but anyway, we'll see how it works. So we click on the offers, and you have all these kind of offers. You have multiple type of offers, and the offers you have, like, you have to see. You have to get first the country, so you can select one country if you're in the United States, in India, or United Kingdom, Germany, or what else. You can go to your country if you are interested in your to see your offers. But for me, I will stay in France, because first I'm from France, so I understand French. You don't need to understand the language in which you say, and we will sort by payouts. Okay, so here we can see that if you generate this lead, you get good amount of money, but it's a little bit hard, because the person need to put the credit card information. So you have special strategy to be able to generate this kind of leads. Okay, so we'll have a lot of categories you can download, zip, email, submit, etc. So we'll focus on this category to show you how we can put this. Okay, so we have, for example, this offer. So gagner, okay, let's see. Okay, so if you can have this amount of money if you have generated leads. So you have either desktop offers special only for desktop. Okay, so here we have offers from desktop. Okay, like this, and we have also other kind of offers. So if we go to all categories, we'll have this, and then sorry. Okay, let's see. Let's payout. Okay, let's click payout. Okay, so for payouts. So this is the kind of offers you have. So we can sort by uh, conversion rate. So these are the offer that converts. So now we have this offer for Amazon to win 500 euros gift card. So you can use it. So you click on the offer, and then you select the link. So this is the link that you need to promote. So you click, oh sorry, I come back. So you just copy this link, and this is the link that you will need to promote. So to show you how See, so now if I put the link here, what I have, so the person need to put here sex, either he's a female or male person, name, etc., and continue. And once the person have submitted all the information, and at the end, until the end, you will get a payout. Okay, here is 0.55. Okay, dollars. Okay, so for example, if I go to, let's say, so, okay, so we have okay. So let's go to the dash statistics. Okay, we show you some numbers. Okay, I have generated. Okay, so if you want to see your statistics, just click this button, and then I will share you my results. So this is just to encourage you to start in CPA marketing, because there's a lot of money to be made. So you need to have the right methods. So here, the one you have generated without putting a very big effort, and because now we hear about drop shipping and a lot of stuffs, but you have you have to be open minded and open. Don't have only one stream of income if you are in online business field. So here, this is what I have generated. So I generate leads, and here you have like a chart. So if you want to uh, have money, I will go to payment. So you need to generate over $50 to have payment. So I will receive 5805 euros in this address. So once you have made your information, you put your PayPal address, and the 3rd May of 2019, I will get this commission. So I put a video to show you the payment. Okay, so you can do it too. So just click in the link below, subscribe, and you will have surprise. Okay, I will send you some few things, and you will be able to generate this kind of money very soon. So put if this video was good, so put a like, share this video, and put in the comment if you have some question about subscribing to CPU and the other questions. You are welcome. Thank you, and goodbye.